Hey, what is going on, guys? Let's talk about batteries today. In particular, MagSafe batteries for the iPhone. I have a few here that I could actually scrape up around my house that's still laying around, but I have tons of them, and it's all in the kids' backpack, the wife's purse, and all that good stuff. They always have one in their possession, so that just in case if their phone runs out, while they're out there, they can charge it up. But yeah, we go all MagSafe in this house, and yeah, these are the ones I could scrape up that are still sitting around. So now I just came back from a trip. I brought all these batteries with me. For some reason, I noticed this Apple MagSafe battery is always missing. And so we had a discussion on the trip and found out that, well, that's their favorite batteries. And I asked them why, and they said that it's just slimmer and just works. And I said, what do you mean by just works? So let me just explain, okay? Every single one of these batteries have some kind of buttons on them to activate. So for instance, that's not a good example, but I'll get into that one. So for instance, this one right here has a button right here that you push, and it activates the batteries when you pop it on the phone. So before it even works, you have to press that button for it to work. Okay, now these are great though. It comes with USB-C, so you can actually plug a USB-C in here if you have it and charge other things as well. So yeah, it's an in and out USB-C. So these are great, I thought, but no, that's not a value proposition for, I guess, my family. Same thing with this one. This one to me is pretty darn slim. Has USB-C once again, but also has a button, and it tells you how much is left on this battery. So I thought this one was pretty good, right? I mean, it's slim, but no. Then there comes the iWalk battery, which now iWalk have done a really good job with in terms of battery packs, and this one right here in particular, I mean, it's pretty nice. Get yourself a little LED screen right there. That's beautiful. I mean, it's even color LED. See that? It tells you 100% charge. Even comes with a little kickstand. And if you really look at this, it's fairly slim. Still has the USB-C on the side so that you can charge other stuff as well, which to me, as someone who uses a lot of tech, is pretty important, right? Because you always have other devices other than your phone. Yeah, so that's pretty nice right there. But at the end of the day, they always pick this one. And so I start to notice it a bit more with their usage, and they pretty much just like the fact that there's no buttons on here. If you just drop it on here, it just start working right away, and it tells you how much the battery pack has left. Just amazing stuff that Apple has integrated into this, and I think that's partly the reason why they like this kind of battery packs, where there's no buttons whatsoever. You just put it on, and it just tells you how much is left on the battery. Now here's the thing though, I figured that they would actually like, being able to press a button and it tells you how much the battery is left on here, but in a real world use case, I guess that's not important at all, because all of these have it. The Apple MagSafe batteries uses lightning adapters, meaning that in order to charge it, you have to use a lightning cord, whereas all of these right here are USB-C, which I have plenty of, right? So when you're out there, you still have to have a lightning cord in order to charge this thing. So it makes me wonder about, like, why is it that my family prefer this here over all the other batteries? I don't think that's a question that I can answer today, but I just want to say that I did go out and bought another pack of Apple MagSafe batteries because, well, they like it so much, I'm investing in more. So anyway, guys, that's kind of the point of my video here, is that you may look at Apple MagSafe batteries and go, well, that is pretty extravagant from a price standpoint. But at the end of the day, there's just something about it where maybe it's smaller. I don't know. So you look at this right here. The Apple MagSafe battery is I guess one of the slimmest. This right here still has a little thickness down there for the MagSafe. But there's just something about this MagSafe battery from Apple that my family just love. That's it.